Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look. I went ahead and mixed a bunch of colors together from different palettes. I mixed the James Charles, the Jaclyn Hill, and the Voss Essentials palette. So let's go ahead and get started on this look. To start, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and I'll be picking up the shade 10% off. I'm going to be packing it all over my lid just by the crease line, then I'll be doing blending motions. I'll be doing the same thing to the other eye. By the way, I had primed my lid with the LA Girl concealer way before I applied the color. Now I'm moving in using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm using the smaller detail brush just to get into the crease, and I went ahead and picked up the shade Mocha. I'm going to be applying this shade just below the previous color we applied with the James Charles palette, right on my crease, also packing it in, then doing blending motions. I'm going to start at the outer corner, moving into the inner corner, then blending it all together. Now I'm going to pick up this clean blending brush and blend those two colors together just to diffuse any harsh lines. Also, I didn't pick up any product on this brush, it's just to blend those two colors together. Now I'm going to cut my crease with this flat brush, and I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Vanilla. For the outer corner, I'm going in with the same small detail brush back to the James Charles palette, and I'll be applying the shade T. Make sure you pick up enough product to darken that outer corner. Now I'm moving on to the Voss Essentials palette, and I'm picking up the shade Emerald. It's a very beautiful vibrant green shimmer shade. I'll be applying this on my crease, just packing it all in. You want to make sure you wet your brush before applying the shade so that it can be very pigmented. Went in a couple of times to pick up the shade, just to brighten up the color on my crease. Now with the same brush, I'm going to wet it again, and I'm going back to the Jaclyn Hill palette to apply the shade Diva in my crease just on top of that emerald shade. I love how those two shimmer shades blended together perfectly to make like a not too light but not too dark green shimmer shade. And in with the smaller flat brush just to define the crease line a little bit more. I'm going to be applying the color Diva to this flat brush just to define that line. Okay, now I'm going back into the James Charles palette and I'm picking up that lime green color in the name Social Blade. I'm going to apply this right next to the crease to give it that pop of color to this look. My brow bone, I'm going in with the shade Beam in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'll be also applying this in my inner corner as well. Now I'll be popping on some lashes. I actually don't know the name to these lashes. I bought them at the beauty supply store and they literally had no name in the packaging. But anyways, I'm going back to the James Charles palette and applying the shade T in my lower lash line. That is it, you guys. This is the final look. I really like how blending all those colors together turned out. Make sure you go like and subscribe to my channel for more glam tutorials. Bye!